Canceling your QuickBooks Online subscription involves a few key steps, and it's important to understand the implications for your billing and data. As of December 2025, the cancellation process is primarily done through the web portal or mobile app. To cancel, navigate to Account Settings, then Billing and Subscription, and finally select Cancel Subscription. Intuit requires confirmation and usually offers a 7-day grace period to reverse the cancellation. Keep in mind that canceling mid-cycle typically doesn't result in refunds for the unused portion of your subscription. Also, be aware of potential early termination fees if you're on an annual plan. Before canceling your QuickBooks Online subscription, it's crucial to export your data to avoid losing important financial information. QuickBooks provides options to export data in Excel or CSV formats. Navigate to Reports, then All Reports, and select Export to Excel or CSV. This gives you access to download your financial data. Key data to export includes your chart of accounts, customer lists, and transaction history. These are essential for maintaining your financial records. For more comprehensive migration, consider using the QuickBooks Migration tool for Windows or accessing the API for automated data transfers to other systems. After cancellation, Intuit typically retains your data for 60 days, but it's essential to have your own backup to ensure long-term access. Pay special attention to exporting sensitive information to comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR. This ensures you meet legal requirements for data protection. Remember, data export is irreversible once the account is fully closed, so plan and execute your data backup carefully to avoid permanent data loss.